Civil Service Examination 2023 GS Paper 2 Question number 6. The crucial aspect of development process has been inadequate attention paid to human resource development in India. Suggest measures that can address this inadequacy. So the question is directed in one way, that is, it is telling that there is an inadequate attention. So in the body part of the answer, we have to mention what are the inadequacies towards the human resource development and what measures are required. This is the two parts which we can write in the body. However, we should also write what has been done till now briefly, so that we bring out the positive aspects also. Here we can introduce either by telling what is human resource development, or we can also introduce by recent data. So we can introduce as per the World Population Report 2023, India became the world's most populous country with 68% of population in the working age group. In order to reap the demographic dividend, human resource development is critical. Coming on to the body part A would be what are the steps taken by the government. Over here, the government has taken many initiatives. I have chosen to write this particular aspect in a flow chart because this is not directly asked, so we can write shortcuts or short forms of many things. Over here we can write New Education Policy 2020, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, the formation of the Skill Ministry, Pradhan Mantri Kaushalya Vikas Yojana 4.0, Ayushman Bharat, Poshan Abhiyan, Sankalp, Udan, Stand Up India. You can also write many other schemes over here. At the second part of the body, that is the challenges. What are the inadequacies? Number 1, decline in the score of the Human Development Index. So we can write a small graph showing the decline in the score, that is 0.645 in 2020 to 0.633 in 2023. Second point, education disparities. Here we can quote ASER report which suggests the poor learning ability. And also we can, third point is 47% of the graduates are unemployable as per the India Skills Report 2021. That it also mentions that many other reports are there. You can mention whatever you can remember at that moment. The fourth point is only 4.7% of the Indian workforce had formal skill training compared to the global average of 60%. The fifth point can be inadequate expenditure on the education sector, which is at present 3.1% and expected is around 6%. And in the health sector, it is around 2.1%. In 2023, expected is around 2.5% as per the National Health Policy. The sixth point is urban-rural divide, digital divide, gender divide. Here also we can quote data, but there was no space, so I just cut down on the data. The third aspect of the body is the measures to address the challenges. Over here, preferably whatever challenges you mention in the body part 2, you have to in the same order mention what are the measures which can be taken to address those challenges. So first one can be increase in the social sector spending, that is in the health sector to 2.5% of GDP as per the new health policy, and in education to 6% as per the new education policy of 2020. Second point, focus on the quality of education, building educational infrastructure, teacher training as per NEP, addressing the urban-rural divide in health, education and skilling, effective implementation of the aspirational district program and aspirational block program. This was in the budget 2023-24, and also the rural mission. The fourth point is industry academia linkage and matching the demand supply in the skilling sector with effective implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Kaushalya Vikas Yojana 4.0. Effective implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, National Digital Health Mission, Janani Suraksha Yojana, Janani Shishu Suraksha Yojana, and Pradhan Mantri Matritwa Vandana Yojana. So all the health sector schemes you can mention over here for the health sector development. So hence, to conclude, there is a need for a comprehensive approach which required to ensure Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas.